Children, please refer to page 21, practice set 1.3. In the figure 1.55, angle ABC is 75, EDC is also 75. If you look at this figure, both the angles, angle A and angle C, both the angles, angle ABC and angle EDC are 75. The question is, state which two triangles are similar and by which test. Now whenever we write the answer, I will request you to draw a line and divide the page into two parts. One side is statement and the other is reason. And when you write the statements, please give numbers so that when we do the correction, we put a tick here and we give marks here like this. Okay. So first thing is, always write down what is given. One big triangle ABC and the small triangle EDC is given. Now we have to prove that ABC is similar to EDC, and by which test and what is the one-to-one correspondence. Now when you look at it, immediately you see angle B is congruent to angle D. Angle B is congruent to angle D, and angle C is a common angle. Angle C is a common angle. Both the triangles have angle C. So the reason is angle B is congruent to angle D because both are 75 degree each. Same measure, so the angles are congruent. Angle C is congruent to angle C, common angle. Therefore, by angle-angle test of similarity, the triangle ABC is similar to EDC. Now, keeping one-to-one correspondence is very essential, that angle C corresponds to angle C, angle B corresponds to angle D because B is congruent to D. So, what is the remaining angle? A in the bigger triangle and E in the smaller triangle. And therefore, the one-to-one correspondence is angle A corresponds to angle E, angle B corresponds to angle D, and angle C corresponds to angle C. This is the one-to-one correspondence between the two. Now, we'll see the next question. That is question number 2. Are the triangles in figure 1.56 similar? If yes, then by which test the two triangles are similar? So if you see this question, the answer I have written, I have drawn the figure PQR LMN. Given in triangle PQR, PR is 10, PQ is 6 and QR is 8. And triangle LMN is having 3, 4 and 5 as the side. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So according to the theorem, LMN should be a right angle, but nothing is given like that. Only the sides are given. Since sides of both triangles are given, we will check if the sides are in proportion, and therefore we consider PQ upon LM equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. And by substituting, we see that 6 upon 3 is equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 10 upon 5. And the answer is 2 each. So each ratio is reduced to 2, and therefore by side test of similarity, the two triangles are similar by side test of similarity. Now we come to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Given two poles of height 8 and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Now since this is a PR is a pole, and the pole and QR is the shadow of PR, and AC is another pole and BC is the shadow. Since the shadow and the poles are proportional to each other, the shadow and the poles will always be proportional to each other. So we can consider there is some kind of we'll see if the sides are in proportion. So PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC, and by substituting sides are given, pole and its shadow is in proportion, therefore by substitution we get the value of X as 12. Please write down the answer in the statement. The shadow of the bigger pole will be 12 meters. Next question is question number 4, and question number 4 has two triangles. Here in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC, and we have to prove that C, P and A is similar to C, Q and B. Here also if we see, angle P and angle Q both are 90 degree. So both will be congruent, and angle C is a common angle. Therefore angle CPA, and in triangle CQB, always write down about which triangles we are talking. If we are talking about whichever triangle, we should specify it properly. Therefore always your statement or your proof will begin with in triangle CPA and CQB. C, P and A and C, Q and B, both the triangles, angle C is congruent to angle C, common angle. Angle P is congruent to angle Q, both measure 90 degree. Therefore CPA and CQB both are similar by angle-angle test of similarity. Now if the angles are similar, the sides are in proportion. So we write down CP upon CQ equal to PA upon QB equal to CA upon CB. Now whenever we take the sides in proportion, we take the first